At Aessence, we see a lot of mature clients, men and women who has worked a lot. We help you with our procedures, with our laser treatments, with our tread lifts. We help to put the confidence back into you.
I was recently introduced to Aessence Clinic and MediSpa, where I was prescribed certain medications and I underwent several laser treatments. Recently, I have seen an improvement in my skin tone, in my skin texture, and it has helped me regain my confidence and the ability to feel good about myself. I would highly recommend Aessence Clinic and MediSpa as your destination, as their advice, their consultations, their treatments are specially catered and tailored and individualized to suit your special needs.
今天我选择来到 Aessence Clinic 是因为 Dr. Jin 非常的专业，我对他180%的信心，而这里的助理也很亲切，我非常的喜欢。
At Aessence, we help you regain your confidence, a spring back onto your steps, and a smile on your face.